Welcome to Creative Keyboards Piano Studio. My name is Crystal Loto. In this video, we will talk about my studio and what makes it unique and special. Creative Keyboards is located in the Crow Mansion, and that is an 1877 historic piece of Modesto history. So why not study period music in a period home? When the children have their piano lessons, they will be at my grand piano. This is a 6'4" Boston, which is the brand made by Steinway. It's one of the finest pianos that you can buy. It's important for the children to know what it sounds like and what it feels like to play a very good quality instrument. To learn more about the way that I teach at the piano, I have a special video just for that on my approach to teaching. In addition to the grand piano, I also have a modern digital piano. On this side of the piano studio, you'll see a Yamaha Clavinova. This allows the students to come early. They can put on headphones. They can practice before or after their lesson, and this is especially great for siblings. When the siblings are here, one can be on the electric piano with headphones on, while the other is at the piano, the grand piano, having their private lesson. It works really well. This also has a record feature, so sometimes we even use this during the private lesson. And you'll also notice something very special on the digital piano. This is my treat box. I love to have different things to encourage the students to practice and to make piano lessons as fun as possible. So every lesson, the students get to choose a treat from the treat box if they've done the practicing that they were required. So throughout the week, parents, you can say, don't you want that treat? You better sit down and practice, and that makes it a lot more fun for the kids to be motivated. And speaking of motivation, at the end of the year, I also have the children have the ability to earn trophies and medals and different things like that. So you'll notice up here on the top of the armoire some very large trophies and smaller trophies. These are all things that I use as incentives to get the children to practice throughout the year. I also have recitals, which you'll see in another video about my approach to teaching and different things I do throughout the year to keep the children motivated. Well, you'll notice this great big huge armoire is actually full of music. After 30 plus years of teaching, you accumulate quite a bit of music. And my students have the ability to use my music library to its full extent. I've got a whole armoire and more of a lot of piano music that I've acquired over the years, and that helps your students have so much access to great music. So this is the student area of Creative Keyboards. If you'd like to check out the parent area, please watch the video on my background and more about me as a teacher.